Mr. Vince, how are you? I am fine, thanks. And you? I'm also good. How is your life? It's fantastic. And what about you? It's superb. So please tell me something about music. I want to know. First of all, my name is Prince from Kosambi. I live in Lalapur. About my qualification, I have passed class 6 and right now I study in class 7. And about my family background, my father's name is Mr. Silcharan. He is a boring mechanic and my mother's name is Mrs. Suman Devi. She is homemaker. I have two sisters and I am only brother. And about my hobbies, I like to play cricket and sing a song. If I would like to tell you about my aim. I want to be a doctor. Okay, that's good. You want to be a doctor. And where do you study? I study in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kausambi. Okay. So why did you decide to come over here? Because that school is in CBSE board and I didn't know how to speak English and I thought I thought I should learn English and I said my dad, Dad, please search coaching and English. Please search an English coaching and he was searching and he got this coaching and he told me uh, I got a coaching and I want you should go there and I said please give admission me and he he said from tomorrow you will go and after one day I came here and and now I have completed 1 month 20 days and before coming coaching I didn't know how to speak English but right now I know how to speak English. I have 1 month 20 days experience and this coaching course is 3 months and my school will open from tomorrow and I will go there. So for complete this course, I will come here next year. Then I will learn English. Okay, that's good. So you are learning English more here. So tell me something about the importance of English. Why English is important? Why people are learning English? Today's English is more important in all over world. And if we talk about the schools, there are many ICSC and CBSE board schools, and their teachers speak, their teachers teach in English, and if you don't know how to speak English, a student can't understand their words, and if the students know how to speak English, they can they can understand and they get knowledge. They will get knowledge and if we talk about all over world foreign countries, uh, there are one 196 foreign countries. There is 196 countries. Their languages are different, and you can't if you want to travel in all over world, and you can't learn all languages, and you should learn English, and English is a international language. It speaks in all over world. If you know how to speak English, you can survive in any countries. Okay. What about in jobs?
How is it spoken?
English is more important. English is also important for job. If we talk about government job, there are many government job, and if we talk about airport job, you if you you pass you can pass written exam easily, but if you don't know how to speak English, you can't pass GD exam, because GD exam is tough, and you should be a fluent speaker English, and you should know how to speak English.
That's good. And what about private sector? What about private sector?
English is also important for private sector, and because private job needs English speaker student, and uh, because their managers speak in English, and they need a student English speaker student.
Can people get job without English?
Sorry.
Can people get job without English?
Yes, people can get without English, but like small jobs, they can get very small jobs, like uh, like constable, and in police.
One more thing you told that in CBC board, international okay, teachers speak English, but there are many students who are not able to speak English. They can't speak English. They study in CBC board, but they don't want to speak English. What do you mean?
Yes, it's right. And after he, when they study, then they will, they, they learn.
Okay, but why can't they speak English? They CBC board speak English because every syllabus, everything is in English. Even when student can't speak English,
Yes,
teachers don't speak English. Who is responsible for this?
teachers are responsible for this, and principal is responsible,
How can you say teachers are responsible for this?
because teachers teach who student
Students do.
student who knows how to speak English is to teachers care only
Yeah.
them.
Okay, that's good. And then after completing your intermediate, what will you do? You said that you will go for means you want to be a doctor. What will you do for that?
I will After intermediate I will prepare of NEET exam. I will prepare of NEET exam, and I will try to be a doctor.
Do you think that in exam can be cleared by can you crack the exam?
Yes, if I will study very well, and I will pass.
Okay. So what would you like to say about this coaching? How is it? It is good or not for students who go along with
I like this coaching, because you are here teacher, and you your you teach very well, and your
teaching
your,
method?
your teaching method is very good, and student who doesn't know how to speak English, when they come here, they learn how to
Okay.
speak.
So after after becoming a doctor, what will you do for your family, for the society?
After becoming a doctor, I will many people, first of all, About family, I will I will earn money and give my parents. I will give my parents, and they will happy. And about it, for I will do for society. There are many people. They uh, mm, for
Don't have money for treatment.
Yes, they don't have money for treatment, and if I will be a doctor, I will treatment in free my villages, and many people are there. If they don't have money, they will die.
How old are you right now?
I am 12 years old.
12 years old.
Yes.
That's good. And you are 12 years old and you study civil standard. That's nice. Okay. So, during the last day,
Yes.
what do you want to say about this?
I am feeling very bad. After one day I will go to school, and I can't come here, and I won't come here. After 1 year I will come again here, and I will learn English again. Which
Okay. Understood.
which
Yes.
yes.
Okay, that's good. So after going to school, how do you practice? What do you do?
After go school, I will call you, and I will conversation something. I will conversation with you, and I will learn English. And there uh, in my school, time is available. Time is very much for studying, and I will learn English.
Yeah, that's it. That was nice. Okay, and I like the last that you spoke well and you made some mistakes, but overall, the performance, it's good. Okay, and I hope that in the future you will get into knowledge that is not to do that. And after going into the school, we just practice a lot because we have the experience maybe 1 month to 10 years, 1 month to 10 years, a lot. Okay, and in the future, I will someone the question will come and Nice talking to you. You know,
Yeah.
please.